Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to use Asana's new AI features quickly and easily, perfect for boosting productivity and simplifying project setup. First, open your browser and go to Asana's website. Enter your email and password to log in. Next, on your homepage, click the Create button and select Project from the drop-down menu. You can choose a template or start with a blank project. After that, name your project clearly so your team knows what it's about. Then click the option to set up with Asana AI. Now click Generate Preview to see what the AI suggests. Review the setup and make any changes you need. To complete the process, click Create Project. Asana AI will help you plan tasks, suggest subtasks, and even recommend forms and rules. You can also use the Smart Chat feature to draft comments and updates. Great for keeping communications smooth. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.